kids drawing and learn.
Hello guys, let's learn some colors. Light blue color, red color, dark pink color, dark blue color, light pink color, violet color, light green color, orange color, olive color, and golden color. Now let's start alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Goodbye. See you next video. Subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.